now we are going to do the unboxing of our new Canon EOS M3. Why? Are you excited? What's inside? You know what is this? We have our manual. It's manual. Manual. Yeah. And we have our charger for battery.
What's that?
Charger.
Charger for the
Battery. And we have our battery. It's LP17. Ito, battery. And we have our cable.
Cable?
Yeah. If we do transfer the files or something.
Oh.
And we have our cord also for the charger if you're going to charge the battery. Yeah. And we have our body strap.
Body strap.
Yes. Para if we go anywhere, we can bring our camera using this, like this. And this is our, what is this? This one is a lens.
What is that?
Lens.
Lens?
Yeah.
What lens?
Lens. It's a lens. It's a 49mm lens. Ay, sorry. I think this is a camera.
I think so.
Yeah. At ito yung Canon EOS M3.
What's that?
It's a Canon. It's camera. This one.
Like that one?
Yeah, ito na yung camera na M3. Binili namin to kasi yung ginagamit namin ngayon is Canon camera M100. Yung difference kasi nito, ito pwedeng gamitan ng external na microphone. Yung previous na ginagamit or yung ginagamit namin ngayon, wala siyang external. So, pag nag-outdoor video shoot si Marga, pag malayo na, pag malayo or pag mahangin na, blurred na or hindi naririnig yung boses ni Marga. Kaya bumili kami ulit ng merong pwedeng ilagay yung microphone. And ito yung previous na ginagamit namin, EOS M100. Though maganda yung kuha ng camera, clear, and maganda kapag kahit malayo. Okay yung photo niya. Clear at so malalaman natin kung ano yung advantage and disadvantages ng dalawa pag nagamit na namin yung M3. So ayun, we're going to assemble. Yeah, we are going to assemble the M3. Maganda na siya. And yung pwede siyang ma-adjust. Pwedeng ma-i-up. Like that. Here. Are you excited to use this? sa next vlog mo. And then, we have to put the battery.
Is that the open with the battery?
Yeah.
There it goes.
There it goes. And our
What's that?
32 gig transcend memory card. It's a free from Marikina. SM Marikina.
What is that?
It's memory card. Dito natin sinisave yung mga photos. Yung mga Yeah, here we go.
Boom, baby.
Yeah, like this. It's safe. Yung continuation nitong video, ito na yung gagamitin namin na camera. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung advantage ng M3 sa M100. But so far, maganda siya. It's cute. Cute yung screen. Ito na yung gagamitin natin na camera. Okay. Hi guys! Say hi!
Hello.
Kanina, yung ginagamit namin na M100, ito na. And then, yung ginagamit namin ngayon is yung M300. So, ito yung sinasabi namin M100. So, let's see the difference. Yan. Yung screen niya is ganito lang. Flip. Guys, hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ganun.